Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's a really windy day here, and I thought to myself, how are the birds doing in this weather? So I thought I'd come out and come to this really nice lake, really nice area with a lot of bird life. There's many ducks, there's swans, there are geese, waders, and of course the bird of prey. And I can see the birds are moving, flying around, and possibly trying to avoid the worst wind. And now there's a really big flock up in the air. I don't know if you can see them behind me here, but something got them up, and I doubt that it was me. A lot of geese. There's such an amount of birds here. It's crazy. So I'll find myself a spot and sit down and camouflage myself and wait for a bit and see if I can get any good footage and pictures of how the birds are doing in this wind. It's just a fantastic place, this. Really nice. So I'll set myself down just behind us here. So there's really many birds here, and so many different species. At the moment they're a bit far from me, so I found a nice spot. It might not seem like it, but it's less windy here than than other places. So I'll sit here for a little while and see if any of the birds comes a bit closer. And it's getting a bit later in the afternoon now, so fortunately the sun is right in front of me here. So I need to see if I can take photographs at an angle down this way or up the river here. The grey heron. Oh, this is such a place. So I've decided to move to another place where I can sit a lot closer on the birds. It took me a while to sneak in here so I didn't disturb the birds. But, now I'm camouflaged, and I'm just gonna sit here and wait and see if any birds turns up. Unfortunately the the wind disappeared, so my cunning plan to photograph and film birds in the strong wind has failed. But it turns out to be a nice evening this. The sun is coming, and of course as I said, the wind has calmed down, so it's a really nice evening, and fingers crossed there will be some nice birds photo opportunities for me. So that was it, guys. The light disappeared on me, so I'm heading home. It was really a nice and a bit surprising afternoon. It started off really windy, and now it's, well, it's still a bit windy, but it's a lot calmer now. So I got some nice pictures and footage, I think. I really enjoyed it. It was a really nice evening, watching the sunset and the birds, and just enjoying myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Thanks for following along. And remember, guys, get out and enjoy nature.